Hi, good morning. You know what? Cut it. Coming to the point, we have 7.8 billion people in this world, and out of that, 26% is under 50, and 9% is above 65. Many of us do not know this fact, even I didn't either before making this video. So, my point is, rest of the population is earning, and whether he is the richest person in the world or he is the poorest person on the planet, they are trying to earn. And when you google the top highest or hottest paying jobs, one of them would be a motivational speaker. Okay, so if I understand that correctly, you would pay me money if I motivate you to do something, right? Really? Do I need somebody to tell me what I'm good at, or what I should do, or what I should not? Who told Steve Jobs to create Apple? I don't know. If you know me, you tell me. Who told Jeff to start Amazon and be the number one in the world? Nobody, I think. So why do I need somebody to tell me, hey Amit, you have been working in the industry for 10 years now, and I think you are good at managing people. You should take up the managerial role. If I am working for more than 10 years now, it is me who would be knowing what am I good at, and not somebody else. So my point is, it, I agree that sometimes you feel low and you need somebody to talk, but then it is you and only you who can tell yourself that okay, I know what am I good at, I know what am I capable of. I do not need your advice or your motivation to tell me okay, you can go beyond your limits. No, I can do it myself. So I don't know how much impact this video will make, but if you really think that you need to hire someone to tell you and you have so much of money to waste, please hold on for a day and ask yourself that whatever that person, that motivational speaker is going to tell you or is about to tell you, isn't it something new that you would not know? And if the answer is yes, then go ahead and waste your money. If the answer is no, then stand in front of a mirror and whatever you want him to say, tell it yourself. You will be motivated. And I am pretty much sure that at the end of the day, when you see yourself doing this, you would be satisfied and you will tell yourself that okay, I have saved some of the money I would have wasted, because that is my hard earned money and I'll spend it somewhere wisely, not somebody uh, unknown to me completely and giving me some quotations or lines or motivational speeches. No, it is me who can tell me what best I can do and what am I good at, and I'll take it from there. Bye.